When it comes to choosing the right dropshipping tool for advanced shipping options, you're likely looking at Dropified versus Spocket. Both platforms promise to make your life easier, but when it comes to advanced shipping features, which one really stands out? Let's dive in and figure it out so you can make the best decision for your business. First off, let's talk about shipping automation. Dropified offers a solid set of features when it comes to automating your orders. You can set up rules to automatically process your orders based on various conditions. However, the downside is that it can be a bit rigid at times, especially when dealing with complex shipping scenarios or specific carrier preferences. Next thing, we have Spocket, which does a great job with its supplier integrations. Spocket focuses heavily on partnering with suppliers in the US and EU, which means faster shipping times to those regions. While this sounds great, the global shipping options might leave you wanting more flexibility, especially if you want to tap into suppliers outside these regions. Now, let's get into custom shipping rules. Dropified does allow you to set custom shipping options, which is a huge advantage if you're managing multiple suppliers with different shipping policies. But setting up those rules can take some time, and the interface isn't always as intuitive as you might hope. On the other hand, Spocket's custom shipping options are easier to set up, but they're not as customizable. It offers a few preset shipping methods based on the region of your supplier, but if you're looking for more granular control over shipping zones, Dropified might edge ahead in this department. Next thing, let's talk about real-time tracking. This is where both platforms have their strengths. Dropified integrates with a wide range of shipping carriers and allows real-time tracking updates to your customers. This can help keep your customers informed and reduce support tickets about missing shipments. Spocket also offers real-time tracking, but its carrier selection isn't as extensive, which could be a deal breaker if you need a broader range of shipping providers. Moving on to shipping cost calculators, both platforms offer this feature, but they approach it differently. Dropified has a more robust system for calculating shipping costs, especially if you're dealing with a lot of different suppliers. However, it can get confusing when multiple suppliers are involved in the same order, and the platform doesn't always give you the best pricing in those cases. Spocket's calculator, on the other hand, is simpler but less accurate if you're sourcing from multiple suppliers. It's great for straightforward scenarios, but if you're running a more complex operation, you may find it limiting. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Dropified has a reputation for providing good customer service, with support available through email and chat. However, response times can sometimes be slow, especially during peak hours. Spocket also offers solid customer support, but with the added benefit of a dedicated account manager for higher tier plans, which can be invaluable if you're running a larger business. At this point, we've covered a lot of ground, but there's one more thing to address: international shipping. Dropified has a wider variety of shipping carriers and international options, which is a big plus if you're selling globally. Spocket's international shipping options are somewhat limited, so if you're planning to expand into multiple countries, Dropified may be the better choice. In conclusion, both Dropified and Spocket are solid tools, but when it comes to advanced shipping options, Dropified has the edge with its broader range of features, customizability, and global reach. Spocket does offer some great benefits, especially for US and EU shipping, but if you need more flexibility and advanced shipping controls, Dropified may be your better bet. That being said, after trying both myself, I think there's a better alternative for the goal of getting the best advanced shipping options. If you want to see what I recommend, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. This exclusive offer is only available to you, so don't miss out on the chance to make your business run more smoothly with better shipping options.